have the website up for the Microsoft Community forums, and on my post and the reply, and he tells me to download the package, the patch manually, and install it with the clean boot, which I had done before on the previous install, but I didn't actually. I actually installed manually, but I didn't do a clean boot. So we just go ahead and start with the clean boot. You would go to not control panel. We go to the run and go through the MS config. I'm going to do this here in a moment. You can reach it by Windows R, or going through the, if you're on Windows 8, you can also, if you're at the start menu, the big new arrow thing, which, or not the arrow, the Windows Metro thing, you can just start typing msconfig. Go to startup, and you can also go to services. So go to services, hide all Microsoft services, uncheck everything there, and I've already done that, and because we're already at a clean boot. And then go to startup, open the task manager, disable those things. There's not much there since this is a clean install with just VMware Player. And since we're already a clean boot, just go ahead and try to install the standalone installer for this one patch. It will not install. Yep, some updates were not installed. The following updates were not installed. The update that you were trying to install did not install. So then I can just go over to the website and reply back to Mr. Vijay. Performed a clean boot, disabling all non-MS services and all tasks in the task manager, which resulted in the same problem with this particular package not installing. There are other patches that will not install, just like the dozens, if not hundreds, of people complaining about this. Stupid panel keeps flashing up there for some reason. The first attempt at this, I had no audio, so I am dubbing this over with my VLC player running, and I don't know why it wants to keep flashing its panel there. I have had various issues trying to record this with either DxTory and DxTory and XSplit. Tried MSI Afterburner, which kept giving me problems not recording audio. I would record, and then it wouldn't record, and it would record again, and then not record with testing. So hopefully this time this works just fine. Okay, so here I was trying to refresh the page to show the answer I just typed in, or the reply, and it did not come up. So we'll just probably have to wait until we get a reply back. I was at the end of my rope trying to figure out how to get this installed, but I don't think we can do anything about it until Microsoft does anything with the coding of the operating system and or the Windows update. It just refuses to install. There's just a handful that you can get down to. The way to do it is just go through and install one or two at a time, and stay away from this particular 68703 patch. It just refuses to install. Well, this will be concluding the part 3 of Windows 8 Pro in VMware Player and Windows Update Bugs part 3. If there's any further things to add, I will add another video. Just now, wait and see.